Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to connect Shopify to Facebook or Instagram Shop. First things first, open up your Shopify by typing it in the search bar in your browser. And then, log in into your Shopify account. If you don't have any, just kindly sign up and create one for a while. Okay, once you have yourself logged in, you will now find yourself in the main page of the Shopify. It is where you can work with your business. However, what we are going to do today does not really involve the business part of Shopify. For it involves on how to connect Shopify on a social media. So now that you have opened your Shopify account, what you are going to do is open your Facebook business account or your Instagram business account, which in my case, I will be using Facebook. Once you are here, select the Facebook page you want to connect with Shopify. We actually have two ways when connecting a Shopify to Facebook. First, using Shopify to connect Facebook. Second is using Facebook to connect to Shopify. And guess what? We're going to do the second way, for it is the most easy and beginner-friendly. The easiest way to connect Facebook to Shopify is through a pixel. So, what we are going to do is to add a Facebook pixel to our Shopify store. What you want to do next is press All Tools. In here, you can see all of the tools that you can use for your business page. But what you want to select here is the Events Manager under the Advertise section. Here in the Event Manager is where we will be creating our Facebook pixel. So once you have pressed that, it will take you to a new page called Event Manager Overview. To create the pixel, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. What you have to do is pan your cursor on the left side of the screen, and a menu will come out. In this menu, you will see a Connect Data Sources option. You will be clicking this option and a pop-up menu will appear. This menu will show you several data sources in which you can connect your pixel to. It consists of the web option, which is where you can connect your website to share your activity. And then there's the app option. In here is where you can connect your applications instead. After that is the offline option. What you can do here is connect your offline information to send activity that occurs in shops. And lastly, the CRM option, in which you can connect your CRM to deliver your ads to the audience. Just select the web option and it will bring you to the Create Pixel menu. In here, you can see a brief explanation of how the pixels work. And you can also name your pixel with anything that you want. In this case, I will just be naming it into Facebook Pixel. And once you have pressed Enter, it will bring you to a page where you can enter your website URL. But if you do not have a website yet, do not worry because there is an option below if you do not have a website. And after you have done that, just press Continue. Doing this will once again direct you to another menu asking you how to connect your website. It can be with Conversions API and Metapixel, or it can be for Metapixel only. What I recommend is the Conversions API and Metapixel. So then, we are now going to proceed by pressing Next. Once all of that is done, pan your cursor on the left side of the screen for another time and select Data Sources. In here, it will show you all of the Facebook pixels that you have created. So once you have done that, head back to your Shopify tab and proceed to Settings. In Settings, what you will be selecting is the apps and sales channels. What you can do here is to keep track of all of the apps you have connected it to. And as you can see, you will have Facebook connected to your Shopify account. And that's it. You can now connect Facebook or Instagram to Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.